Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Del Rosario, and in today's video, we will be unboxing my very first BTS light stick. So I got this light stick from my friend's Instagram shop na nabili niya sa Weavers. So I'll include a link of her Instagram shop as well as a screenshot over here. I'm a baby army and promise talaga ako sa sarili ko na hindi ako bibili ng merch. Kahit ano mangyari, like, fan lang ako, like, makikinig lang ako ng music nila, manonood ako ng videos nila, pero hindi ako bibili ng merch, pero hindi ko napigilan. Actually pala guys, super optimist ko na papunta na sa pagiging delulo, na iniisip ko, what if someday mapanood to ng BTS, so kailangan kong mag-English all the way, kasi iniisip ko baka hindi ko ma-express fully yung self ko pag nag-English ako all the way, so I might just include captions dito. Diba? So, Kim Seokjin, if you're watching this, saranghe! Kainis. So anyway, ang dami ko ng hanash. Let's get into the unboxing. Nakabahan akong buksan siya kasi baka masira ko yung mismong box ng light stick. But let's gusto yung sumaya buhay niyo, mag-BTS kayo. I swear. Oh my god, nag-include pa ata siya ng freebie. Yan na guys. So pretty! It's still sealed. It's still sealed, you guys. Before I unbox this, tingnan muna natin yung freebie. Sabi niya, "Hello Ate Dea, thank you for purchasing your BTS light stick from us. I hope you'll have fun with this. Keep safe and welcome to the Magic Shop." Oh, Magic Shop yung isa sa mga gusto kong kanta ng BTS, guys. Okay. And photo cards. Yes. Nakikilig ako. So this one's Jungkook, Seokjin, Jin, RM, and Suga. Tapos si V, si Hobie, si Jungkook, and si Jimin. And we have silang pito. Kita ba? Kasi ito yung likod niya. Thank you so much, Lorraine! Para siyang film or, yeah, BTS film. Pictures. Hindi ko alam kung paano mag-act. I'm sorry. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-display or ganyan lang ba siya. Thank you so much sa shop na pinagbilan ko. Thank you so much, Lorraine. But it's a personalized letter. I'm very big on letters. I am very big on handwritten letters. So, thank you so much. Let's get into the unboxing of the Army Bomb itself. So, ayan. Super ganda ng box. Super sleek. Tapos, merong details. Yan, map of the soul. Super ganda ng pagkakalagay. Tapos, may parts siya na glossy siya. Kaya nagustuhan ko tong limited edition na Army Bomb because it's so classy. Look at that box, guys. Super ganda. This very, very, very carefully. So, yan siya, guys. Let me show you first the freebies dun sa box niya. Yung included sa box, yung ito, yung stand mismo ng light stick. So, lagay muna natin siya dyan. Later, yung light stick reveal. And then, we have the photo cards. My first official photo cards, ang mapa ni RM. And then, we also have the manual and yung, I think, dust bag and strap. So let's check now the photo cards. We'll scan this one later. And now for the photo cards. So we have RM, Jin, Minyeongi, or Suga, cute, and then Hobie, J-Hope, Jimin, yung Taeyang. Grabe naman. Gwapo naman ito. Sa Maknae, Golden Maknae. Jungkook. Gusto ko sila lahat i-display kasi hindi ko alam kung paano. Let's check the dust bag. Oh, shucks. Ang ganda ng dust bag, guys. Ang ganda ng dust bag niya. So, dito may ARMY and then dito BTS, Special edition. Kita nyo ba? Ayan siya. And then, super in love din ako with the strap. So, medyo gray siya na papunta na sa silver. Tapos, may BTS here. Tapos, here may army. And now, finally, dun sa mismong light stick. My very first light stick! OMG! OMG! It's so pretty! Look at that! So, yung mismong handlebar ba tawag ito? Yung mismong hawakan niya, it has map of the soul printed on it. And then, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito, kasi diba yung ibang light stick, bilog lang siya talaga. Ito para siyang, parang dalawa yung, parang may case siya na glass, tapos yung mismong light sa loob, yung mismong bilog. Kaya ako to nagustuhan talaga, kasi ganda niya. Dito may nakalagay ARMY, and then dito, BTS. And then, we have the switch. I believe this is the power button, and then siguro ito yung pag-change, like, nung blinking kineso. Ito, baka, ewan ko, para saan to? Pangkuha ng signal, I don't know. I'm in love. I'm super in love. Dito yung battery niya. May nakalagay na BTS. No, sorry, here. Ay, charot lang. Ano lang pala, logo lang siya ng BTS. Ayan, logo. Here also. So, i-try natin siyang buksan and i-set up sa Weavers and dun sa app, mismong app. So, I didn't know before. Super na-amaze din pala ako sa fact na super digital niya, na i-configure mo siya sa phone mo para sumabay yung ilaw sa beat. Tapos, pag nasa concert ka, i-register din siya, if I'm not mistaken, kasi hindi pa ako nakapuntang concert. So, parang dun sa number ng seat mo, kaya pala parang yung birthday ni Jen, di ba, na-surprise siya with lights. Parang nag-form ng letters yung lights. Dahil pala yun sa light stick na naka-register sa app. So, now we will do that. Magpapatugtog tayo and stuff. Alam ko wala tong battery. Kasi, international shipping. So, I guess, wala siya. Yeah, wala siyang battery. So, lagyan natin siya ng 3 AA. Okay. And then, one more from remote ng aircon. Okay. 3 AAA. Bakit siya nagbe-blink? Nakita niyo yun? It's blinking. Already. Oh mo. It's so pretty. Okay, let's press one more time. Yung gitna, off. Tapos yung taas, yung white na light. I don't know if mababago yung config niyan later sa app. And then yung ilalim, siguro ilalim yung sa app. Let's see. So guys, if you want to connect your light stick sa app, you have to install BTS official light stick app, this one. Tapos, self mode. And then, Army Bomb SE. Slide the button down on your light stick. So, Bluetooth mode yung pinaka ilalim. Ito. Yan, Bluetooth mode. So, nagko-connect na siya. Connected na! Oh my gosh, guys. Nakokontrol ko na. Oh my gosh. Nakokontrol ko na siya. Yellow. Green. Okay. So, pag pinindot mo siya, like, pag press and hold, mamamatay siya. Pag nirelease ko yung bubuksan siya. So, ganun siya, guys. Amazing! Ngayon naman, punta tayo sa Weavers. Diba, ayan, Weavers app. And then, hanapin niyo yung BTS dito sa taas. So, BTS. And then, once nandiyan na kayo sa page na yan, punta kayo sa Media tab. Media tab. And then, slide kayo to MV. MV. Marami nang pagpipilian under MV. I'll probably mute this part kasi syempre ayaw nating ma-copyright. Makikita niyo yung mga video na may army bomb sa upper right-hand side. Yung may blue Army bomb yung nakasulat dyan. Connect official light stick. Pull the button down to turn on Bluetooth. Yan ulit. And then, next. Weavers would like to use Bluetooth. Okay. Connected ka na, girl. Connected ka na. So, I guess pag pinlay ko to, magbe-blink to. Dapat. Nagpe-play na siya. Oh my God! Oh my God! Nagbe-blink siya, guys. Pag pinost mo yung video, post din siya, gusto ko lang sabihin na super worth it ng ginastos ko dito. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. So, yung last part ng video na to is magpapamigay tayo ng mga BTS shirts. So, I have partnered with Besties para mabigyan kayo ng free BTS shirts. So, guys, yung sample ng shirt, super ganda, guys. Super ganda ng print para silang totoo. Diba? Super ganda. So, kung sino yung mapipili, para dala namin ng t-shirt ng bias nyo. But again, thank you so much for watching today's vlog. Ito yung vlog na hindi ko na-expect na gagawin ko ever. Mag-unbox ng merch. Magpapag-giveaway ng merch. So, yeah. Thank you so much for being part of my army journey. Malay nyo yung next vlog ko, concert na nila. Manifesting. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. Like this video and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. See you in my next one. Bye! Borahe!